Are you a beginner to minimalism? Well, good for you. But don't make these 3 mistakes I made. Let's get into it. My name is Tamara Lynette, MIT, minimalist in training, minimalist fashionista. So I started my channel because when I decided to become a minimalist, I could not find anyone who seemed to love fashion as much as I did or had as much stuff as I do starting out. And so I thought I would document my journey so that you all can follow along to see the good, the bad, the ugly of becoming a minimalist. So I started my journey a few weeks ago and I've already made a few mistakes. Mistake number 1, not mentally preparing for the journey. Deciding to embark on the minimalist journey is similar to deciding to lose 100 pounds. Like, I didn't get here overnight. Like, I didn't accumulate all these things in one day, so I can't expect to wake up tomorrow and have a minimalist home. Plus, I still have the desire to go out and purchase things. You know, it's hard to resist that good deal. You know, like, I love a great sale and I still love blingy, beautiful, shiny things. So how do we keep from getting derailed? You need a strong why. Why do you want to be a minimalist? For me, I want to take control of my life. I no longer want to be influenced to purchase things that I don't need or that don't bring me joy on a regular basis. I only want to spend money on items that are meaningful to me or that are truly essential, thus adding more money to my savings account and being able to have money to spend on more experiences. You know, seeing my savings account grow is much more rewarding than seeing my closet overflow. What is your why? I mean, maybe you're a single mom who has kids who are involved in extracurricular activities and, you know, that's expensive, right? Equipment, uniforms, transportation. Maybe you want to be able to save your money for those experiences for your children and also for things that personally bring you joy, as opposed to coming home and tripping over all this clutter and toys that they don't even use. Or maybe the extra things in your home are causing you stress and anxiety. Or maybe you're a couple that fights over money. You know, Amazon knocking on your door on a regular basis. Guilty. Deciding to become a minimalist will help you to kind of start over and purchase less and also lessen the amount of arguments that you have over money. There's many reasons why you may decide to become a minimalist. Whatever your reason is, make sure it's a good one because your reason will be that thing that gets you through the rough patches. Trust me on that one. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, the second mistake I made, not having a good action strategy. When I started my journey to minimalism, I decided to use the less is more challenge as my strategy to remove things from my home. And if you're not familiar with the less is more challenge, basically what it is from the movie Minimalism, Less is Now. And what they said is on day 1, you get rid of 1 thing. On day 2, you get rid of 2 things. Day 3, you get rid of 3 things, and so on and so forth. So that seemed like a great idea, right? Well, no, not for me, because what I realized is that 1, I didn't feel like going through my things every day because that's a particular mindset, right? And it didn't make sense for me to be pulling something out each day because I didn't really have anywhere to put it. I mean, that's the whole point of this, right? I need to declutter, so I don't really have space to now create another pile of things that I want to donate. And I'm definitely not going to go donate every single day. So what I decided to do was once a week, go through a corner of my apartment or a section of my closet, a dresser drawer, what have you. Rather than focus on the number of pieces that I'm pulling out for the week, I would simply just go through that section of my closet, decide on what no longer serves me, and pull it out. Mistake number 3, not planning for procrastination. Who's a procrastinator? Raise your hand. Procrastination is the thief of time. On any given day, I can give you 4 or more reasons why I cannot declutter. I can't do it now. I own a business. I need to be on my computer doing stuff. My stomach's growling. I need a snack. I'll do it later after I unwind from my day. Chill out for a bit. I was just about to do it, but then my bestie called. So there's this saying that I like. Every day spent procrastinating is another day spent worrying about that thing. Do it now and move on with your life. Do it now and move on with your life. I'm not saying that you need to tackle this all in one day or one weekend, because I'm certainly not. It's going to take me as long as it takes me. But this goes back to kind of having a strong why and a great strategy. Maybe you need to write your why down on a Post-it note and stick it on a mirror to remind you every day as to why you decided to go on this beautiful journey of being a minimalist. Or maybe you're better with the schedule, so put it on your calendar. On Tuesday, I'm going to declutter my sock drawer. You want to prepare for procrastination so that you don't disappoint yourself. Do it now and move on with your life. I believe that we can all accomplish our goal of becoming a minimalist, or whatever it is you want to be. And we can push through those barriers together. Join me, subscribe. And I will continue to document my journey, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And in the meantime, I will see you next time with less stuff.